Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll learn how to move an image in a video using CapCut. Previously, we did this on Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, import your selected image. For this example, I'll use the same one as before. Drag it into the timeline. Make sure your image is selected and your playhead is at the starting point. Now, go to the Scale option and click on it to add a keyframe. You'll see a small white dot appear. This is called a keyframe. Next, move the playhead to the end of your image and increase the scale value. This will automatically add another keyframe. Let's check how it looks. Now, let's create a zoom out effect. Drag and drop the image into the timeline again. First, click here to add a keyframe and increase the scale value. Then, move your playhead to the end and scale it down to 100. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.